Hey everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweet Peas. Today for you, I'm going to be showing you how to use stickers on Instagram stories. It's really easy to do, and I recently released a Christmas countdown bundle, free bundle at that, on my blog that can be used to track holiday movie watching. I thought it would be something fun for everyone to participate in on Instagram stories, so I wanted to supply you guys with the correct tools to do so if you wanted to join me on that. The Hallmark movies for Christmas actually just started, so I wanted to keep track of the ones that I watched and my reviews and give them a fun little candy cane rating. So I have supplied everything that you guys need to do this along with me if you want on Instagram. So be sure to head over to my blog, download this bundle, and then watch how to use it here. Also, I will have a download link down below in the description box, so you can head there as well. And then if you use this on Instagram, please tag me, and I can't wait to see what you guys thought of the different movies. So let's get right into this tutorial. Okay, so first up, you're going to go ahead and press the download here link on the blog post or in the description box of this video, and it is going to bring you to this little Google Drive here. And inside of it, you're going to see about 5 different images that look like these weird little triangles, but then on the lower ones, you start to see the candy canes, and then you're going to see the actual template that you guys will use as your story graphic. So to download these, you just want to tap 1. You're going to press the little arrow with the box, and it should give you 2 options, one to download or one to view. I found that view works the best rather than download, so I'm going to press view, and then I'm going to press the square arrow box in my little toolbar here, and I'm going to press save image, and then that image is going to be added to my camera roll. And then I'm going to repeat this step for the others. This will work on these. These are actually animated GIFs, even though they don't look like it. You're going to do the same actions where you press a view, then you're going to go down here and you're going to press save image, and it is going to animate like that in your camera roll. Then we're going to move over to Instagram and open up stories, which I've already done, and I've already in my little countdown album that I have. We're going to pick the template here, and that is going to be where we do all of the next steps. So in order to put in our rating, we actually need to apply a sticker into our stories. So traditionally you would go to Giphy, but because these are custom, they're not in Giphy, and we are actually just going to go copy them from our photo camera roll. So I've made a countdown folder for all of the graphics for this, and I'm just going to go here and I'm going to pick the 5 candy cane rating, and I'm going to press the little square with an arrow, and I'm going to press copy photo. Then I'm going to move back over to Instagram, and it's going to say add sticker in the bottom corner. It has already detected that I have a GIF, and then I just need to size it to fit, and there you go. You have added your rating. Now, if for some reason this doesn't work for you, you can do the same thing by adding text. So you can add text, then you can hold it down your finger so it says paste, and you can press paste and do the exact same thing where you size it. Now, of course, you can fill out the rest by putting in the movie title up top, your review, would you watch it again, and then there's a part that's called a cover. Now, I realize not everybody is going to want to do this part, but for me, sometimes with like the Hallmark Christmas movies, I can't remember the names plus like who's in it, so I thought it would be cute to keep track of the covers as well. So because I am using the Hallmark Christmas movie checklist thing, I can actually go into the Christmas movie checklist and I can screenshot the cover of the movie that I am watching, and then we'll be able to import that. So let's screenshot one real quick. At this point, like if you go into a movie, the picture is too big, so I would suggest just screenshotting it in like this format where you can crop the cover. And because I didn't do that, normally the like screenshot would come up here in this corner, but since I was like showing you another part of it, it did not. So I'm gonna go back to my photos, and I actually already screenshot one yesterday and I cropped it down. So you just want to crop it down to the size of just the movie cover. Then I'm gonna press copy photo. I'm gonna move back over to Instagram, and it came up with the add sticker, so I'm gonna add that sticker. and I'm gonna place it in the little cover spot, which I think is really cute. And again, if the add sticker part did not come up, you can just go over here to the text and press paste and it will do it. So, and if you don't want that, you can delete it. But then now you're at the point where you are basically done. All you have to do is put in your movie title, your review. Then you can post this to your Instagram story, save it in a fun little holiday highlight that you can reference, and just kind of enjoy tracking the movies that you watch this holiday season. And it's really fun to share with friends, and you guys can see what everybody thought. And I'm really looking forward to doing this, but I wanted to actually get this how-to video up first. If you did want to do all of the saving features on your desktop computer, you could, and then you could transfer those images to your phone. I know if you are a Mac user, it is super easy to do that because you can just save them and then you can airdrop them to your phone or your iPad, whatever device you are using, and it makes it super easy. But if you don't want to do that, you can just do what we just went over and have fun. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I had so much fun creating this whole thing. I had this idea randomly yesterday and then I ran wild with it, and here's the result of that. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want more videos like this in the future, let me know. And I think that's it. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see y'all back here very soon. Bye.